This idea was born out of a meeting about 8 weeks ago, and in the last 8 weeks we've worked our socks off with all our partners to get this ready for the public. Working with Igloo, working with the M7 team and the Ploughman Craven team to deliver a really eye-catching film for members of the public. It's been a unique experience, but something I've thoroughly enjoyed.
I'm really pleased that this has been brought to the railway station, and actually that so many people are going to get to see it, because you're going to get to see the impact of the work. You're going to get to see the impact of those millions of pounds that have been spent by the Scottish Government in order to try and upgrade the line and make it better for people in Aberdeen. And actually, what better visualisation than having it 360 degrees, having it right around you and being able to immerse yourself fully in that major transformation that's taking place.
When you're sitting on a train, you can't kind of appreciate exactly where you are. So I think being able to see that sort of 3D journey through there and actually getting some context of where you are and where the buildings are and just the scale of the work that was done in just 14 weeks, I would certainly recommend that as many people as possible come down and take a look for themselves.
It gives the people of Aberdeen a completely different viewing experience. The 360 immersion gives viewpoints of Aberdeen that the majority of the public would never see if they didn't see it from that angle.
Fantastic way of letting people know just what they're getting and just what a huge undertaking this is. So it's a really amazing opportunity for people to see what's really going on in this massive project.
I think this is an innovative way of reaching a really wide audience. We do the traditional boards with updates and comms and stuff like that, but this has been really, really impressive.
The team at Igloo are great. They have a real knowledge of their product and they know what will work and what will not work, and that's been invaluable for me. I kind of come up with a harebrained idea, but they can pull me back down to reality and tell me what needs to work and what can't work.
My experience of Igloo is of the highest regard. Their professionalism, the attention to detail and the support that we got from Igloo was tremendous.